Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 7, today we are going to cover the remaining part in chapter 3 in civics, how the state government works. Yesterday we have covered, in previous session we have covered till how the state government are divided, what are all the works of the MLAs, who are MLAs and MPs, these topics we have covered. Today we are going to discuss about the work of the state government. On that, debate in the legislative assembly. In a democracy, opposition also play a vital role. We learned about the ruling party and the opposition. In a democracy means what? All the people have right. What are all the rights we will see later. Opposition also play a vital role. MLAs of opposition can express their opinion. They have the rights to express their opinion and ask questions to the ruling parties. The party, those who have got majority of vote and they have won, they are called as the ruling parties. The opposition, the opposition party, they can express their opinion and they can ask question to the ruling party related to any issues. They also give suggestion about what should be done by the government. If they didn't got the ruling power also, they have the right to suggest that these are all the things should be done. These are all the need of the people. You have to do this. They can suggest. And if it is not done properly, they have right to ask why it hasn't come. Why it is not done yet. Like that they can ask. The ministers have to give response to the question asked. The ministers, those who are in the ruling party, they have to respond for the question asked by the opposition. All the MLAs are together responsible for the working of the government. For the working of the government, all the MLAs are responsible. The government referred to government department and various ministers who head them. The parties. The government refers the government departments. Government means the government departments of various departments like educational, health, sanitation, hygiene. All these departments will come. Milk, like various ministers who head them. Some ministers have appointed as a head for the department, for that particular department. The overall head is a chief minister. This is called the executive part of the government. So this is called as the executive part of the government. For each and every divisions of department, there will be a separate head as a ministers. For all these, one head will be there. He is called as a chief minister. So this is called as the executive part of the government. And the four pillars of the freedom: freedom to speech, freedom of religion, freedom of the press, freedom of the assembly. Right, children? Working of the government. The people in power, like chief minister and the ministers, have to take action on various problems. They are those who are having the power in the government, like chief minister and the minister. They have to take action in various problems. They do so through various departments like public work departments. They can solve that problem by various departments as a public work, by agricultural department, the health department, the educational department, and so on. They also have to answer questions that are asked by the legislative assembly and convince people to step and being taken. They have to answer the question asked in the legislative assembly, and they have the responsibility to convince the people about the step what they have taken. The government can also decide to make new laws for the state. They also have the rights to take or to decide or to make new laws for the state. Now currently we have, right children? Due to some issues, our government have placed new laws for safeguarding ourselves, right children? Safeguarding us from the COVID-19 virus, right children? This act of making law on certain issue is done in legislative assembly, right children? This act of making new laws in certain issues is done by the legislative assembly of each state. Each state can take a decision and new law of safeguarding the people to making or solving the problem. They have the power to take new decisions and implementing the laws. The various government departments then implement these laws, right children? On the next, a state and a union territory. What is the difference between a state government and the union territory? A state is ruled by the representatives chosen by the people of the state itself. Do you understand, children? A state is ruled by the representative. As such, we will do the election in our class and we will select the class representative, right children? Among our class itself, we will select one person as a representative. As same as in the state, we the people, by the people, we will select one person as our representative and they are called as the MLAs, chief minister and ministers. This is the state government. And what about the union territory? The union territory is ruled directly by the central government. The union territory will be in the control of the central government. Role towards media. On previous slide we have seen freedom for press. That means media. Elected leader also have to hold press conference where large numbers of media persons are present. They have to present whether the new law or new decision, the changes, they have to give the idea to the people and they have to convince the people on with these are all the laws we have made. By these laws you all are having these benefits. For solving this problem we made this law, like that. How they will convey that to the people, that where the media plays a vital role on it. The elected leader also have to hold press conference where the large numbers of media persons are present. Reporters may ask questions at these meetings. The reporters, the press, the persons, they have right to ask question to the chief minister, minister or the MLAs. And these discussions are reported in different newspaper and news channels, by which the people, we are able to know the new laws and what are all the things happening in the government and what are all the things happening in the society. The reporters, they can ask, they have the rights to ask questions. For all the question, the minister or the chief minister or the member of the legislative assembly, they should answer and they should respond to that. So these discussions are reported in many newspaper and news channels through which the people, they get the idea about that. See here children, this is how the media is helping us on feeding the current affairs or the changes in the government or how the government is working, how the members of the legislative assembly are working, everything the media is scooping us, right children? This is about this topic, how the state government works. So thank you and have a great day children.